Here I'm going to show you how you can test the pump. This is our rebuilt pump. What we're going to do is fit the shroud. This is the shroud that would go on the pump in the car. Obviously this is a brand new one. So we're going to slide it over the pump and we're going to add some fluid into the feed. This is the feed, the inlet. So normally there would be a pipe coming in from the reservoir, gravity fed fluid. I'm just putting a little fluid on the housing here, just so that it's well lubricated, and going to ensure that there's plenty of fluid on the O-rings on the pump body. And then all the way down, and then you can see that circuit groove here. So this is where your brake pump feed hose will go into. So that's where we're going to pour the fluid. We're going to be pushing the plunger in here. And that's going to draw in the fluid from here, which we're going to pour in shortly. And we're going to fill the pump, pushing the pressure. So I'm going to top it up with some fluid carefully. Okay. A few air bubbles coming out. So the first initial pump, because there's a bit of air in there, we'll push it up. And now it's drawing in. So we'll top it up again. And press the barrel. Right, I can just feel it pushing on my finger here. There's a little bit of air squashed in there. The final top up, and now you're going to see it start coming out the end. Alright, so I don't want it to squirt into the camera. I'm just going to show you a close-up. So you can see the fluids getting drawn in